Welcome to this video. Today we will go over why BNB and SXP are a good buy in my opinion. I've actually missed a lot of the action on Binance lately because I was so focused on crypto.com. However, let's get into the video and let me show you how you can use your tokens to make some extra cash. If we look at the chart, we can see that SXP gives us a nice entry point. It rallied to over $4 and had a nice pullback. Maybe it will go below $1, but nevertheless, the potential rewards are higher than the risk at this point. The BNB chart doesn't look as bullish as SXP. But BNB has so much utility. It's not only to get a discount on trading fees. You can stake your BNB or take part in the launchpad, to just name a few. You see this in the chart. Where other altcoins lost so much in value, BNB didn't drop so much. We will buy some now but more SXP, because in our opinion it has more room to grow. Let's take a look at the launchpad where we can stake our tokens. Under Binance Earn we have to scroll down a little bit till we get to the launchpad. Here we have different options. We can stake BNB, SXP, or other coins like BAND. We will be rewarded in a different cryptocurrency. The APY differs, but the farming period is always 30 days. The yellow bar shows how much time is left. I'm interested in staking BNB and SXP and I would like to earn Venus tokens. Later I will show you why. Let's start with staking BNB. The risk of staking is very low. What I mean by that is the only thing that can happen is that the reward token loses in value. And therefore your APY goes down. But you can withdraw your SXP or BNB at any time. You can also redeem your rewards daily and sell them immediately if you wish. Alright, now we have 7.5 BNB staked, let's move on and stake SXP. The APY is over 60% if you stake SXP. That rate is insane, and is one of the things that will drive up the price of Swipe. Staking rewards are always great to take some tokens out of circulation and make them more valuable. Okay, we got 800 SXP staked. Let's wait for a few hours, and we will see the first rewards coming in. Around 12 hours later I've already gained 0.4 XVS. With the current price that would earn us about $1.5 daily. I've put $1,000 into SXP, and that would mean the APY is a little less than 60%. However, Swipe or Venus could lose in value, so keep that in mind before buying. But as I said before, at the moment it's a good entry point for Swipe if you consider risk and reward. The high interest rate isn't the only thing that makes me bullish on SXP staking. Venus actually has a great value proposition. Obviously, all tokens on the launchpad are very new and we have to see if they can deliver. But I've read the white paper and let me show you briefly what's the idea behind Venus. Venus is a decentralized marketplace for lenders and borrowers with borderless stablecoins. It's built on the Binance chain that is backed by a basket of stablecoins and crypto assets without centralized control. BEP20 token is what they use. That's a token on the Binance Smart Chain that extends ERC20. An upgraded version to keep it very simple. You can earn interest on your assets. And again you will have the option to stake SXP on their platform. Even though the numbers are just for illustration purposes. It's another way to make passive income by staking your SXP. If the protocol works and you can tokenize your assets. Meaning that you receive portable V tokens that you can freely move around to cold storage. That would be awesome. But again we will have to wait and see if they can deliver on that promise. They have some great ideas to improve the DeFi space. The market cap is still very low. That's why I will keep my Venus tokens for now and hope that they will grow from here. I highly recommend reading the white paper. It's only 13 pages, but if you like to learn more about Venus, that's the best way to start. What do you think about SXP, BNB and XVS? Let us know in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and we will see you in the next one.